Yeah, so basically what we're going to do here, because I have all these little crazy scratches that have been on this back window for some time, we're going to take the buffer and see how much of that we can actually get out. And then I'm adding new decals to go all the way across, to kind of go more with this color. So let me get to scraping off this old one, and then we'll get to buffing. Guys, so after doing a bunch of buffing and making some new decals, this is what we came up with so far. It really pops good once I get a little bit tint on the back window where it kind of darks it out. Man, that bright green is gonna pop. I got the window as clean as I could as far as with the buffing and stuff is concerned. There's still a little bit more those weird looking marks on this side of the window, but it's a lot better than what it was. But yeah, goes good with that green. This is called like a fluorescent lime green, I think it's what it's called, or a reflective green. So yeah, that definitely turned out pretty good here. So definitely thanks for tuning in, guys, and thanks for watching. This is probably about wrap it up for this videos for this week. So try to get one out there to y'all every day of the week. But next week, I got to go back to work. So videos might come a little bit later. So keep watching, keep staying tuned. And we got a lot coming for the NBS in a couple of weeks as well. Big changes coming. And we got to finish buffing out this paint. Now that I finally figured out how to do it. So stay tuned for that. And this here was the big difference of how I got all the scratches out. Yep, so that and this big foam pad as well. Wool microfiber pad. That is what made a hell of a difference. So we'll see y'all next time. Until then, keep it simple, keep it sweet. A little bit better video of how clean this thing looks. We got her all cleaned up.